Sa mundo ng fashion, nakaguhit muli ng marka itong si Ken or Philip. Icon na icon ang ating amukin dahil sa kanyang paglabas mula sa car papunta sa venue ng isang Gucci private event. Iconic na iconic ang suot ni Ken, ang kanyang motif at OOTD. Talagang mapapawaw ka sa kanyang suot. Kasama lang naman sa isang event sina Marian Rivera, Ann Curtis at marami pang iba. Kasama ang isang executive producer mula sa short film na Gucci the Tiger. O di ba? Malaking bagay at luxurious itong Gucci. At si Ken, isa sa mga model ang kinuha ng Gucci para maging parte ng isang short film na Gucci the Tiger. Heto nga, ibang-iba ang entrada ng ating binatang si Ken. Talagang umaaura at pumaforma at nag-iwan ng marka sa mundo ng fashion. Kasama na ang mga tili at kilig at hiyaw at sigaw ng mga kababaihan para sa kanya. Paglabas ng car at pagpasok sa venue, talagang walang tigil ang tili. Mga kamera nakatutok sa kanya.
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me. And what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan. Your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the fucking hours it takes to get some power. Don't be fucking sour. Take a cold shower. Scream until you're louder. Work until you're prouder. And fuck all the doubters, they're just fucking downers. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm pissed off at these fucking clowns who were all time.
At heto nga, ang pinakamalaking highlights at milestone sa buhay music artist ni Ken. Hindi lang bilang singer, kundi isang fashionista at syempre brand endorser at brand model. Unti-unti nang gumagawa ng marka at OOTD at pormahan itong si Ken at ginagaya na nga ng mga ilang fans, 18 o mga Filipino. Simple lang pero mapawaw ka at mapalingon sa kanya at mapatitig. O diba, sinong di mag-aakala na ang probinsyanong si Ken na taga Mindanao ay isa ng sikat na fashionista, hindi lang sikat na singer. Talagang dito na eksena ay mapawaw ka. Hindi lang mga kababaihan siguro, kundi mga fanboy talagang mapawaw ka at mapatitig.
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I act, head up, that's a fact. Never looking back, I'ma keep myself on track. Keep my head up, staying strong, always moving on. Feel I don't belong, tell my thoughts to move along. Push myself to be the best, die with no regrets. Live with every breath, see my message start to spread. And I had so many dreams, then you hit your teens. Life ain't really what it seems, try to find out what it means. Always do it.
city streets, we began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, every shot from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. Now the morning is the afternoon, we lay awake in bed. The glass so loud.
Talagang made history si Ken dahil kahit hindi siya full-time na artista, siya ay full-time model endorser ng Gucci brand na kung saan pinakamahal at pinaka-fancy sa buong mundo. Hindi lang sa Amerika, hindi lang sa Asia, kundi sa buong Europa. Gucci brand, big-time brand yan with Ken at ibang singers at mga artista ng Pilipinas. Tama talaga si Pablo, Justin, Stel at Joss na lahat ng ginagawa ni Ken ay iconic na iconic.
Thank you for watching, guys. See you in the next video and update. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Keep watching. God bless everyone and always remember, be yourself and be a good one.